Good afternoon, sir. I am Akshat from MBA Second Sem, Section B, and today our topic is marketing mix. A marketing mix is a planned mix of elements that make up the marketing plan of a product or service. Now, basically, there are four elements, that is, product, price, place, and promotion. As they all start with letter P. Hence, we can say the marketing mix or the four P's. And it is proposed by E. Jerome MC Carthy on 1960.
Hello, I am Mayank Vatwani from MBA second semester, and I will be covering the marketing mix and the four P's of marketing mix, which are uh, product, promotion, place, and price. So, the marketing mix actually is concepts is a marketing concept which tells about the things which we cover to increase the sale of our product and to also increase the perceived value of a product. So first P is product. Product is something which we sell, or any unit or any service which we provide to our customers. So there are many things which comes in the product mix category. So for example, branding of product, then functionality of product, what our company do, what our company provides, what our product do, and then brand, functionality of product, durability of product, quality of our product. So there are many things which we need to take care of while focusing on product mix. Second is price. Price is really important because uh, the product, the same product would also be produced by our opponents in other companies. So price is really important, and in price we try to take care of several things like its wholesale price and its margin and its many things basically. Third is place. So place is basically a distribution factor, or place is mostly concerned about distribution. And in this we take care about our warehouse, our distribution channel and distributors, and so we are creating a chain in which through which our product moves to our distributors, and the people and the customer get our product from these distributors. And the promotion uh, is it's basically advertisement of a product. So in promotion what we do is we create strategies like push and pull strategies to attract customers for our product, so that they buy our product or they take our service. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Mayank Srivastava. So, product life cycle. The product life cycle is an important concept in marketing. It describes the stages a product goes through from when it was first thought of until it finally is removed from the market. Not all products reach the final stage. Some continue to grow and other rise and fall. Next is product life cycle overview. So, product life cycle overview. Introduction, growth, maturity, decline, and time. So first is growth. Growth during this stage, the product or the innovation become accepted in the market, and as a result, sales and revenue start to increase. Next is maturity. Maturity during this stage, sales growth has started to slow down, and the product has already reached. Next is decline. So decline the decline stage in the product life cycle is when a product dissolve or a result of decrease or negative growth. Next is time. So time, every product life cycle and time spent on each product or on each stages from product to product.
Good evening. I am Kaushal Sahu, student of MBA Section B, and my roll number is 27. And my topic is marketing mix. Now, 4 C's, A's, and O's of marketing mix: customer need, acceptability, objective mix, product, cost of consumer, affordability, objective mix, price, convenience, acceptability, organization mix, place, communication, awareness, operation mix, promotion. Now, conclusion: the concept of marketing mix and 4 P's have strongly dominant paradigm marketing stage of many companies. Marketing managers must realize its usefulness in the marketing of goods and services, but market research in bringing new approach. Thank you.